Hi, my name is Rosie Gill. I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. I have a confession to make. I don't really like garlic, at least in 99% of its preparations. Raw, pickled, minced and fried, it's just not my thing. However, there is one preparation that I love that is liquid gold, and that is garlic confit, which is basically whole garlic cloves poached slowly in olive oil, transforming them into meltingly lush garlic puree and an olive oil that is infused with the sweetness of the slow cooked garlic. That is garlic I can invite to my dinner table. Let me show you how to make it, and then we'll talk about its infinite uses. And I think you too, if you are a secret garlic disliker, I won't use the H word, may find that this preparation of garlic is great for you too. First, you heat 1/2 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and as many spices or seasonings as you like. I just use 2 bay leaves because I want to keep the garlic confit as versatile as possible for later use, but you could throw in rosemary, thyme, some dried chilies, whatever you like. You want to heat this on low until it reaches 185 degrees. Step 2, you add 2 ounces or 1/2 cup of garlic cloves. You cook that really gently in the oil, stirring occasionally for about 40 or 45 minutes until the garlic cloves are tender and completely soft. Step 3, you turn off the heat and you let the oil and garlic cool to room temperature before you put them in a jar. And then you can refrigerate this for at least a week. Anytime you grab new garlic out to use, you want to use a clean utensil to make sure that you prohibit any germs from being introduced into the jar. But really, here is your delicious liquid gold. Okay, so you've seen how simple it is to make garlic confit. It's kind of a no-brainer. So how do we use it? Well, one of the things I love about garlic confit is its home economics. Really, you're getting 3 ingredients from the process. You get the oil, which is infused with the garlic flavor, which is much sweeter and mellower, in any herbs or spices or chilies you threw in there. That's awesome as a drizzle over pasta right before you serve it. Great drizzled again over grilled meats, a roasted chicken or something like that. Then you have the actual garlic paste. And those really soft, luscious garlic mash, it melts into the background of things. So it's wonderful, sort of smushed onto toast and then topped with seasonal tomatoes and some mozzarella and basil, or anywhere else where you just want it to be that background foundational richness. And then you have the garlic and the oil together, perfect for any vinaigrette, any dressing, any sauce that you want to be, again, mellower and slightly richer than if you were to make the same sauce or dressing with raw garlic. So really, you're getting 3 ingredients and you can use them in an infinite number of ways. I really hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it. Let us know how it goes, and let me know if this has converted you into someone who loves at least one preparation of garlic.